Hi, it's Mark at Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. We got a 2010 Mercedes-Benz C-Class here that doesn't start. I've taken some of the stuff apart to make a quick video for you. We've removed the steering wheel. Get this out of the way. There's a steering column here, and at the bottom of the steering column, there's a little motor like this that unlocks the steering column so that you can safely start the car. What happens is you put your key in, you'll have your odometer light up, but when you go to turn the key, nothing happens. So I'm going to show you how to quickly get this steering column off and the ignition switch off. So bear with me. I've got to loosen my last two bolts to access the column. Now everybody gets an opportunity to watch me struggle to get this piece out. There we go. Inside the box, special little box here of the electronic steering column is where this little motor would go. Just going to show you that quickly. And I'm going to show you how to disconnect this. You take the special Mercedes-Benz tool, twist the chrome ring off. Off comes the ring. In behind there's a little clip that you release. Of course I can't feel the clip with the pressure, but we'll get to it. There we go, clip is released. You got two electrical connectors here that have to be undone. One. Let's undo this cable. You're just going to squeeze this. Two tabs. Move the cable forward. The cable releases. Release the last electrical. And out comes the electronic ignition switch. In goes the key. All three of these components, the key, the ignition switch, and the steering lock all work together for your safety. Urban Automotive, safety first.